Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add refund options to your WooCommerce store using the RMA Refund and Exchange plugin. This is incredibly useful if you want to offer your customers a streamlined way to request refunds or exchanges directly from their order history, making your store more professional and customer-friendly. Let's get started. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're accessing the WordPress account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be installing and configuring the plugin. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu. You'll see a list of options that help you manage your site. From here, click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options related to plugin management. From the expanded menu, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin library where you can browse and install new features for your WooCommerce store. Now you'll see the plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar, type in Return Refund. From the search results, look for the plugin called Return Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce. Once you find it, click on More Details to see a full overview of the plugin. This will give you a better understanding of its features and functions, helping you confirm it's the right fit for your store. Once you're ready, click on Install. Now, the installation might take a little while, so be patient as WordPress processes the files. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the button change. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, take a look at the left navigation menu again. You'll notice a newly added option labeled WP Swings. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear. From the options that show up, click on Return Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce. This will direct you to the settings page where you can configure how refunds and exchanges work on your store. From the settings page, the first thing you need to do is enable the refund button under the General tab. This makes the refund and exchange options visible to your customers. Now it's time to set up your RMA policies. This is where you configure the conditional rules that determine when and how refunds or exchanges are allowed. Start by selecting an action from the action selector. You can choose between refund and exchange depending on what you want to offer. Leave the trigger set to if. Then move to the variable selector dropdown. Here you can set the condition based on maximum days, order status, tax handling, minimum order, exclude categories, or product. This gives you flexibility to control exactly when refunds or exchanges are permitted. Next, set the comparison connector. You can choose from less than, greater than, less than equal to, or greater than equal to. This helps define the threshold for your policy. For the final step, fill in the value input field with the specific number or criteria that matches your store's policy. Once everything is configured and added to your satisfaction, click on Save Setting. Your changes will be applied and your refund and exchange system will now be active. And that's it. You've successfully added refund options to your WooCommerce store, giving your customers a transparent and easy way to manage returns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.